Hi children. So because of not opening of the school, we have postponed the science activities in the previous lessons. Okay. So we after reopening we will do all the experiments regarding to the fourth lesson. So now it's a time to start our lesson 5. Okay. Coal and petroleum. Okay. So in what are the uses of coal and petroleum in nowadays, children? Yes, nowadays mostly coal is not at all using, but petroleum is very much useful to operating the engines in a vehicles, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes. So we are using so many objects every day. Yes or no? Yes. See, you can take this picture. In medical field, we are using sanitizers, hand washes, tablets, tonics, and bandages, wipes, and some tablets. Yes or no? Everything is covered in a particular objects. Yes or no? Even in the household, we are using comb, kettle, nail polish bottle, specs, cotton dresses, and air cooler, shoe, brush, paste, everything. Yes or no? Yes. So many things we are to survive in our life. So in our life, to live our life in comfortable way, we are using so many objects, substances. Yes or no? So many things, and some things are made up of natural sources, and some things are made of man-made things. Okay. So you can take an example here. Cotton dresses in the household item. It is from cotton and it is a natural resource. Okay. And here you can take comb. Comb is made up of plastic, and plastics are man-made. So here the resources are classified into two types: natural resources and man-made resources. Can you please tell me any one example for natural resource, any other rather than cotton? Yeah, wood. Very good. And can you please name any one man-made source? Yeah, rayon sari or rayon tops, like that. They are made up of man-made. Okay, good. So what is natural resource? See, the resources, whatever it may be, forest, wood, animals, whatever it is, and coal, petroleum, everything which we are getting from the naturally from the earth, which we are getting naturally from the earth, is called natural resources. Are they from nature? Yes, surely they are from nature. Okay, so those resources or natural resources can be yes. So those natural resources, some natural resources can be can be survive forever for a long period. But some natural resources can be finished soon. Can you please tell me, இப்போ யாராவது எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்லலாம் இல்லையா? இப்போ என்னது, now every home has a car, everybody is using petrol more. ஸோ இதே வந்து நமக்கு அடுத்த இருக்க ஜென்ரேஷன்ஸ்க்கு வந்து பெட்ரோலியம் இருக்குமா? தட் இஸ் அ கொஷின் மார்க். எஸ் ஆர் நோ? ஓகே, நம்ம தாத்தா காலத்துலலாம் வந்து என்ன பண்ணாங்க, மரக்கட்டை யூஸ் பண்ணி குக்கிங்லாம் பண்ணாங்க. எஸ் ஆர் நோ? ஸோ nowadays we are getting no, we have transferred to cooking gas and electric items. எஸ் ஆர் நோ? ஸோ அப்போது there is a lack of அந்த wood அப்படிங்கிறதுல வந்து ஒரு பற்றாக்குறை அப்படிங்கிறது வந்துச்சு இல்லையா? ஸோ த சேம் சோர்ஸ் இதெல்லாம் சீக்கிரம் தீர்ந்து போயிடும் அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து எக்ஸாஸ்டபிள் நேச்சுரல் சோர்ஸ். தீரவே தீராது, எப்போவுமே அவைலபிளாக இருக்கும்னு சொல்கிறது இன்எக்ஸாஸ்டபிள் நேச்சுரல் சோர்ஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ inexhaustible natural source are the resource that are not likely to exhausted by humans. For example, you can take sunlight, rain, wind. Those are non-exhaustible, inexhaustible. Okay, and exhaustible resource, natural resource, are the resource that can be exhausted by humans. Humans யூஸ் பண்ணுறதுனால அது இல்லாமையே போயிடும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் So some animals are hunted by for people, humans, for some reasons. Yes or no? And they are cutting down all the trees in the forest for to make it into for because of population reason. And they are people are humans are taking the minerals from the earth more. Yes or no? So they all will one day they will finish. So it is called exhaustible natural resource. Exhaustible natural resource or the resource that can be exhausted by humans. For example, you can take coal, petroleum, gas, everything. Okay.